Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to export with a transparent background in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro and we have our transparent background right here, or a logo of YouTube right here. So this would be our sample. So I have added a background right here, a video background, just to show you that this logo is transparent. So now that we know it's transparent, and now we have this black background right here because there is nothing in the background. So if we do this in the normal way, we export this in the normal way, is we would be exporting it with a black background right here. So we don't want that. So what we want to do is we're going to go into File right here, and we're going to go click on Export into Media. And the important thing here is you want to go and change your format into QuickTime right here. So you can find it at the bottom, QuickTime, and then your preset should be GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. So you can find this. If you can't find it right here, then you can click on More Preset. And then from here, you can go search for GoPro. And then you would be able to see it right here. And all you have to do is select that and hit OK. So once you're done with that, once you have selected your preset and format, you're all good to go for export. And all that's left is checking if you have your audio for this one right here. So if you have an animation and you have your audio, you can just enable audio right there. So in my case, I'll just enable that and click on Export Now. So now you are done with that. So let's now test it out. So now I'm gonna drag the exported footage right here into my timeline, just like so. And now I have it right here. So I'm just gonna go and put a background on it so that we can see that it's really transparent. So right there. So as you can see right now, it's real transparent, and this is exported as a video right here. So that is basically how you can export transparent video here on Premiere Pro. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.